Ukraine's armed forces seem to have made a breakthrough on the Robotyne-Verbove line, writes the US-based Institute for the Study of War. At least 4 Ukrainian companies with armored vehicles stormed the Russian positions there after conducting massive artillery fire. Ukrainian military entered the line of trenches west of Verbove, Zaporizhia region, 16 kilometers southeast of Orakov. Geolocation footage shows how a Russian UAV hits Ukrainian infantry in a trench west of Verbove. And this indicates that the enemy, it seems, is no longer present on the trench line. And frontline sources report that Russian units are being shifted in response to Ukrainian pressure on the Robotyne-Verbove axis. But that leaves other Russian defensive lines vulnerable, so Ukrainian forces are prepared to exploit any resulting weakness in Russian defensive lines. A Ukrainian drone operator carefully places explosives on a Russian Muram-M long-range surveillance and thermal imaging system and then destroys it by remote detonation, location and date unknown. Marichka, the new Ukrainian underwater drone. The Ukrainians has published footage of tests of the Marichka underwater drone, claiming it has a range of up to 1,000 kilometers. This drone is versatile and can be used for strike, transport, or reconnaissance missions. In terms of strike capabilities, these devices are designed to destroy bridges, disrupt ships, vessels, submarines, drilling platforms, and other offshore objects, including pipelines. This poses a significant threat to the Russian Black Sea Fleet, and there seems to be little they can do to counter this new threat. If Ukraine begins mass-producing these drones, the Russian fleet may need to relocate to safer bases. Drones are emerging as a major threat across land, sea, and air. Existing military doctrines are quickly becoming outdated and in need of modernization to remain effective in future conflicts. A Russian soldier inspects heavy, uncomfortable, and ineffective Western rifles. Clown.
Также неэффективно, как и все остальные автоматические винтовки натовского образца. Прицельной планки у него нету. Коллиматор в бою в ходе передвижения обычно выпадает и, очень неудобно. Она очень тяжелая, очень неудобная, громоздкая. Эта винтовка уже может стрелять автоматическим режимом. Это уже всеми известный автомат, точнее автоматическая штурмовая винтовка М16. Все ее знают, вот. Нету прицельной планки, мушка есть. Здесь тоже идет штатный коллиматор, но, видимо, в бою он у него где-то отпал, и уже прицеливаться неудобно.
In the high north of Sweden, Ukrainian forces conduct live fire training with Swedish-supplied RBS-70 manpads. A customs warehouse near the international airport in the Uzbekistan capital of Tashkent is reported to have exploded earlier tonight after a storage building filled with electric cars and batteries was possibly struck by lightning. The shockwave from the explosion is said to have caused serious damage to buildings over 30 kilometers away.
Astagfirullah, astagfirullah. Dahshat bo'ldi, dahshat. Hamma olib o'tirib ketdi. O'ynalar sinib. Hamma olib o'tirib ketdi.
Yomon tamojna portlab ketdi. Bilmayman nima sabab. Hozir bu ozgina tushgani olov mash'otgacha bo'ladi. Tamojna lekin bizga
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you wanna support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.